Okay, obviously we're back here picking up our discussion. And what I saw today was you were doing a gap unit. And that gap unit was on our changing Earth.
Right.
And I actually filmed a part of it where you were talking about Pangea and continental drift. Anyway, why don't you just explain in your own words what a gap unit is and what value you think it has for Lab Learner program?
I think the gap learner is a filter in between this and the next cell, which is weathering and erosion.
Mm-hmm.
So they understand what's going on in the Earth and how the Earth is changing.
Mm-hmm.
And it's, I think, understanding of the way the Earth was 250 million years ago.
250 million years ago.
To the way it looks today and how it's still changing, even though they don't realize that it's moving and changing.
Now, I'm going to ask you a question. And 250 million years ago, I don't care who you are or how old you are, can you even conceive of 250 million years ago? How do you get up your students to think in terms of how long that is?
Put me on the spot. I'm not sure how to tell them how
it's difficult. I mean, I think
I kind of go back and just say this is what might have been there at that time period, so they understand that I have a poster that kind of tells us what was in the different time periods.
Yeah.
So I used that's what I brought out last year to help them understand that a little bit.
And it's kind of interesting because I was talking to one of your groups, and they were saying that long ago, even though it was hundreds of million years ago, that there were dinosaurs.
Yeah.
And we were talking about, well, when the continental drift was making the dinosaurs trip because it was moving so fast. And they explained that, no, it was too slow. And that it was happening today, and we don't feel it.
Right.
Isn't that cool?
That's cool. That's really cool. One of the things last year we used the video "Land Before Time," and that little video, and that was when they recognized. They also recognized in that video what they were learning in science.
Cool.
That it was, even though it was a
so
story.
Land Before Time. Where did you get that? Was that on the internet, or did you have to buy it?
It's a video that I had bought.
Okay.
So
would you recommend that?
Yes, I would.
Land Before Time, and you showed it around the time of the changing Earth.
Yes.
Okay.
So they just understood how the Earth had changed and how they had to go from one area to another to find the thing. It's kind of along the Big Bang Theory kind of thing.